Alright, here we are at the breaker box, right on the other side of the meter. And you can see at the breaker box we're reading 1.46 volts per meter. Let's give it a good 30 seconds in case we can get a reading, another strong reading. I mean, there's a constant electrical, and this is, I'm only measuring radio frequencies, 10 megahertz to 8 gigahertz. So there are no other wireless devices in this house. So now there is an electrical outlet right below this box, and let's show you what's coming out of the electrical outlet. 1.7, 1.5. I'm going to put that a little lower, Frank. 1.6, 1.7. Now, move it slowly back toward me so you can see that the source is, move it slowly, you can see that, oh, sorry, I got it out of range here. It's definitely coming from this box because, I think we have to make it maybe just a little bit lower. Okay, now we're at 2.
Set pulse in there.
Yeah, the air conditioner just turned off, but at this, we're getting 2 volts per meter, which is 4 times higher than was at that cell tower. Now we're going to go inside and measure some, and you can see what's going on.